What's going on, everybody? My name is Trent Sowers from All Things Automotive. I want to thank you for clicking that play button. Today you are viewing a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack 6.4 liter V8. We'll get into the Carfax here. I just wanted to mention it does have just over 18,000 miles. Let's start in the front here with the Dodge Challenger design right here. Very sporty in the front with high intensity headlamps. You do have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. I don't even know what you would call this color, but it is bright green and I'm loving it here. Going around here to the nice low profile racing tire. You can see it does have Brembo brakes. Comes factory with these models here. There's your Scat Pack logo, 6.4 liter. We'll get into the engine specs here soon. Just taking a peek into the passenger side here. You can see a nice sleek black interior with some chrome accents all the way around throughout the interior, with the Challenger logo kind of embossed in there. You do have an upgraded Alpine sound system, so you'll be bumping and thumping in no time. I wanted to show you guys the used car mechanical check sheet here. 930 seconds on the tires all the way around. Fresh brake pads, new oil change, new cabin air filter. We do not skimp on reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. Okay, let's take a look at these seats here, guys. You can see it's a nice leatherette with a suede insert here. Nice leather bolstered, so it's gonna hug you, and you're gonna need it because it'll throw you back in your seat for sure. All right, guys. As you can see, there's easy access to. It is a two-door, but there's plenty of room back here still. Very nice. This cup holder that folds down back there. Again, with the leatherette in the back, suede insert. Very nice. Very comfortable. Even for a high performance car. Going to the back, you can see the dual exhaust. This particular model does have the active exhaust, so what that means is it's going to scream when you need it to. It's going to be quiet when you don't want it to scream. And I'll show you when I start it up what that means. See if I can access the trunk space here. Nice large trunk here for a two-door. So you can definitely still put your groceries in there even though you probably don't want to. Backup camera. Going around to the driver's side here. See, you do have your nice passive door entry here. 2 keys for your added convenience, as always here at All Things Automotive. I wanted to show you guys something that I think is really cool on the side doors here. If you can see, I'm going to put this mat under there. On the puddle lights, you'll get the Scat Pack logo, which is really cool. Just a nice added feature to this model here. You do have power options on the driver's seat. So your power options on the driver's door right there. So let's hop in, guys. See what it's all about. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Six-speed manual. You do have the push button start. Like I said, 2 keys for your added convenience. There's a remote start option as well. Now on startup, initially it's not very loud. Like I said, that active exhaust is working. It's magic right now. That way when you're starting it up early in the morning, your neighbors aren't going to hate you. But if you give it a little juice, it'll scream, if you know what I mean. Alright guys, just over 18,000 miles right here. You do have hands-free on the steering wheel, which is really nice. There's all your Bluetooth connectivity. There's your cruise control. Lamp selectors to the left. There's your brightness control for your cluster. You do have a trunk release button here. Parking brake to the left, as well as your hood release down there. Lighted vanities on the driver and the passenger side here. Got some storage for your sunnies. Okay, LED map lights, very bright, very nice. There's your mirror right there. It's auto dimming. Okay. There, as you can see, you can kind of scroll through your information right there to get all your important information, your audio, your messages, screen setup. So there's a lot you can do with the center cluster to kind of customize it. Very nice. I always love the design of the Mopar or Dodge, especially in the electronics and the graphics. Very nice, very clean. As you can see, it is equipped with a nice large touchscreen display here with onboard navigation. Just go ahead and kick her into reverse for you. You can see the nice backup camera, nice clean and clear display. Moving on down here, let me put this right there. Press screen to exit, and let's go to climate controls here. So you do have a vented seat, you have a heated seat, you have a heated wheel that you can access from your touchscreen display, which is really nice. AM, FM, XM radio, pair your phone, and you can do a lot with the Uconnect apps right here. You have a lot of things you can do with the performance pages, obviously in a Scat Pack. A lot of fun things filled with tech. Going down to the climate control right here, you can see you have a couple modes here: Sport, Super Track Pack, traction control off. There's your 4-ways. Okay, there's your back for your screen up top here, and then your parking assist off. Defrosters, AC, just straightforward right there. But then you come down to your 6-speed transmission here. 2 cup holders, nice carbon fiber insert, so that's a nice design from Dodge there. And there is your middle console with plenty of storage and connectivity. Looks like you have an auxiliary, USB, SD cards for audio files or memory, and you have a 12-volt down there as well. And guys, I'm telling you, these seats are really comfortable. They just hold you. They hold you real nice. And again, you'll need it for moments like that. Alright guys, I'm going to shut the car off and we're going to do the under the hood segment here. But I wanted to show you the headliner because it doesn't have any rip stains, tears, or odors or anything like that. I think that's very important. Like I said, a very spacious back seat too for a 2-door. Shouldn't have any problem putting passengers in this if you need to. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. We'll check out the 6.4 liter Hemi. Alright guys, just as I expected, very nice and clean engine compartment. No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Now this particular engine right here, 6.4 liter, about 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pounds of torque. You're going to go 0 to 60 in the mid 4 seconds. And that's no joke. Car feels great. I drove it the other day. Very fun to drive. Again, high performance car with the luxuries of, you know, the comfort and convenience items inside. So this is a very nice package here, guys. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the vehicle, show you any imperfections or dents or dings. Like I said, it is a used car. As a matter of fact, before I do that, I wanted to mention on the Carfax, you will see it does have a moderate damage report, 5 previous owners. So I wanted to show you here. Let's see if I can bring that up. Looks like there was a moderate to the rear here. So damage to undercarriage, damage to right rear. And for your safety and peace of mind, all of our vehicles are inspected by our professional service staff here at All Things Automotive. The first thing that happens is it goes up on a lift and we make sure it's safe to be on the road for you. Okay. And the original manufacturer's warranty is going to be expired on this vehicle. But here at All Things Automotive, this vehicle does qualify for extended coverage, so ask your sales consultant about that for sure, for your peace of mind. All right, guys, starting up here in the hood, I do see a little dent right here. Kind of dances in the light right there. Just some regular stone chips in the front here. The lower bumper fascia here is in pretty good shape. You got to be careful when you're driving these. You can't pull into just any parking lot. You got to be aware of your surroundings. You got to be aware of your height clearance. Very clean all the way around. This color is just amazing. I call it slime green. I don't know what you want to call it, but it is just an attention getter. Do not buy this car if you don't want some attention, because you're going to get all the attention of the gearheads in a 100-mile radius driving this thing around. Let's go down the passenger side here again. Wanted to show you guys the roof. Maybe a little blemish here. No other dents or dings that I see. This is a very beautiful color. Our detail crew does an amazing job as always. As you can see, dancing off the lights up there off top. But just a beautiful vehicle here, guys. Just a powerhouse. 6.4 liter Hemi engine, 485 Yeah, 485 horsepower, 475 feet-pounds of torque. There it is, guys. So if you need any more information, please call 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to www.allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved or come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational, and have a great day.